Watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 37, effective until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: Caldwell and Hayes. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yes. I'm just watching this and I hear,
Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 37,
and then I just hear this.
effective until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: Caldwell and Hayes. Bernie State, cloudy 64. Pleasant and Lantry was falling for the development of severe weather.
Hush.
Reported 71. Brown snow fog was reported 73.
I know.
Cloudy 70. Dallas Fort Worth line trade and fog were reported 66. San Angelo partly cloudy 54. Laredo haze was reported 71.
Haze? How is there haze in this weather?
Once again in San Antonio it was 69.
Okay, come on, go off.
The short-term forecast for your area through 9 a.m. Isolated scattered showers will continue. A few thunderstorms will also be
Usually WXK67 will go off first.
Some of the storms could produce small hail, occasional clouds, ground lightning, and brief heavy rainfall up to 1 inch. Elsewhere, rainfall amounts will remain less than 1/4.
Okay.
Your weather synopsis for south central Texas. A potent low pressure system will be making its way across northern Mexico, and the Lone Star
That should be going off.
As of this, a few rounds of stormy weather can be expected. Into early Tuesday, isolated severe thunderstorms will be possible mainly west of the I-10 corridor and north of Highway 90 from San Antonio to Del Rio. Tuesday afternoon.
So, hold on, I'm gonna go.
Will bring an enhanced threat level for severe thunderstorms across much of South Texas. The primary threats will be large hail.
And check on here.
As the weather system lumbers eastward, showers and thunderstorms will be possible for the second half of the work week, but severe thunderstorm activity is not expected.
It's shown up on here.
Local forecast. Today, warmer, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers.
Sorry guys, I'm shaking.
Highs 81 to 86. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Lows around 60. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Wednesday, cooler. Cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, shifting to the southeast in the afternoon.
First tornado related thing.
Cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 50%.
The reason why I have the accurate on, I want to see it go off.
Highs 68 to 73. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 60%.
Shoot.
Friday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 60s. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers before midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday and Saturday night.
This was
mostly
going
clear.
off.
Highs in the mid-70s. Lows 49 to 54. Partly cloudy.
Look at how terrible the light is. You can't even see this. If you make videos, you gotta think about it. I want you